G-Tech, G for Genius.
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python. Here you can see the link to download Python is displayed on the screen. This is the official Python website to download the Python. There is a download option here and different types of download on the side here depending on your operating system. If you are using a Windows computer, it will present you with a download option for the Windows. If you are on a Mac, you get the relevant download option for the Mac. As of the time I'm recording this video, the current version of Python is 3.8. So it is recommended to download latest version when you download your version. I'm going to click on the download button and that will start download, which is on the bottom left corner. Wait for a few minutes to complete download. The download has completed. So to begin the installation, just going to double click on the file. Now it is showing the setup screen. To begin, I need to check this option here. That is add Python 3.8 to path. Make sure you got that checked and then click on install now option. And that will begin the setup. When the installation of Python has completed, you get this box that says setup was successful. At the bottom here, you have got the option to disable the path length. This basically changes your machine configuration to allow programs include Python to bypass the 260 character maximum path length limitations. This setting is optional. If you want to do that, just click on the disable path. If you don't, you can skip it. I'm going to click on it just to disable it and then close the setup dialog box. Python installation completed. Now we are going to check it on command line interface to verify the installation. Open the command line interface by typing cmd in the search box. Run it as administrator. To check that I have installed Python, type python space dash dash version and press enter. And that will give you the version number. So if you can see the version, that means you have successfully installed Python. So that's it for this video on installation of Python.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of next video.